Log in to 711Proxy website. Click Proxy Setup and API. In the left sidebar, select Residential Proxies. Select API. Add the local address to the whitelist before API access. Click Add now. Confirm adding whitelist. Choose a plan type. Select country, region. Setting the number of proxies to generate. Selecting proxy protocols, formats, and separator. Click to generate. Open link. API obtained successfully. You can start using. Opens login. Click New Browser Profile. Fill in the name. Open Setting Proxy Server. Enable Proxy Server. Select the proxy type. Paste the proxy info copied from 711Proxy. Test proxy. Successful detection confirmed. Proxy configuration is complete. Save it and start using it.